So here's the special edition Zelda Tears of the Kingdom Nintendo Switch. I'll start off by quickly showing all the sides of the box. And I'm really excited to check out this very nice white and gold aesthetic. So let's pop this box open. Very simply, we get the Switch and the controllers. Ooh, we have this very nice and shiny green, white, and gold Joy-Con. Even the little left and right buttons here are a golden plastic color. And on the back, plain white, but we do get this very shiny hollow stamp. Now checking out the Switch, we got the same OLED screen in front, but on the back, we just get a kind of plain, just like crop circles with the very large kickstand. It's nice enough that they did put something different on the back, but honestly, this to me is kind of boring and doesn't say anything Zelda to me. So I feel like this should have at least been like the Hyrule crest symbol or just something more Zelda-like. And there you can see both Joy-Cons attached to the Switch. And on the back with the white Joy-Cons attached to its side. Inside the top of the tray here is just the health and safety and manuals. And underneath the tray, we have the power cord, Nintendo branded HDMI cord, a Joy-Con controller grip that does not have the charging port, and the very nice white dock. So this definitely makes up for the lack of detail on the back of the Switch. It just looks gorgeous. The gold just shines like so elegantly. The white is just so like flat and smooth. It reminds me of like apple pod style white. And on the back, put a little bit of gold trim detail on the corners there. And it's just standard dock with all the hookups. Back cover just slides on like that. And the plastic inside of the dock is very glossy. Mirror-like black gloss finish. And we can have the console sit into the dock just like that. And lastly, hidden at the bottom here are two of the wrist straps. Now let's check out the Joy-Con grips. So you can see both of the wrist straps come in all white plastic with a very nice gold and white attached to the end and the standard locking mechanism. We can very satisfyingly slide these in. Both of the Joy-Cons with the wrist strap all matching in nice white and gold. It actually feels pretty nice holding them like this. And for the final touch, we can add them into this little controller grip. And now you have this weird square Switch controller. It would have been nice if they made this entire handle completely white. It would match perfectly with everything else. So let's turn on the Switch, see if everything works fine. So turning this on, right away I can tell there is a significant difference in clarity and just like contrast of colors on this screen. Half battery life, so you should charge it right away. And you can even select a golden Zelda icon to match Switch's aesthetic. The color and sharpness honestly isn't that bad compared to the old Switch. First thing you can notice is slightly bigger screen-wise. There's less black border around the screen, and it just looks like the colors are a bit brighter, richer in contrast. But if you do use your Switch Portable, I think it's noticeably a lot more enjoyable to be playing your games with this slight increase in screen size. You also don't have to deal with this very flimsy kickstand. You get this very nice, large, solid one. As a bonus, in case you're wondering, the gold from the Majora's Mask Special Edition 3DS is actually a different shade of gold. The gold here is actually darker and glossy. On the Switch is actually a lighter shade of gold. I would say the 3DS is closer to the actual color of a gold bar than the gold on the Switch here. This is like a white tinted gold. And keep in mind, you can buy a matching Zelda Nintendo Switch SD card. It comes in a matching white and gold, so you can add 64 more gigs to your internal memory. and you just insert the card into the slot on the back here. So you can have a fully pimped out matching set of all white and gold. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. There's links in the description to other Switch unboxing videos you might like, as well as some Amazon affiliate links. Thanks for watching.